look at the trends here, how this industry is growing, and anything that grows creates opportunities for young graduates, youngsters like you, the new age millennials like you, where they can see the future. So, if you all must have realized in the last 3 months of COVID and in general, the media consumption has grown exponentially. It could be any platform from a basic level of an Instagram or a WhatsApp to the Netflix and the OTT platform. Youngsters like you are the ones who are consuming media left, right, and center. So when people come to a media property, which could be a newspaper or a OTT platform or a Facebook or a LinkedIn or any of those channels which you consume digitally, there is where the advertisers and the brands like to associate with. So media consumption growing means advertising spends growing because the audience is there. India has become among the top 10 media markets and it will continue to grow like this, right? Media is seeing faster growth in the space of 10 to 11%. If you know, economy is growing by 2 to 4%, but media is growing like 10% plus. That means it is opening up new opportunities. People are spending there. This is very interesting. 64% of the consumers make purchase decisions based on social media content. So the entire conventional shift of spends, which was happening on newspapers or magazines or holdings, is now moving to social media because people are deciding on social media reviews, on the micro influencers, on celebrity endorsements, and probably product integrations which are happening on social media. Media industry alone is not about your digital or social media. It is the combination of films, entertainment, sports, celebrities. We will take all through that, but that again is a very, very big market. And then in the last is digital. I'm just taking you fast through the statistics because that is available to you. I'm just trying to open your eyes on how big this industry is. Yeah. And see this now, how these trends are increasing. You can see from 2014 till 23 how huge this entire market looks like, you know, globally and in India both. Yeah. And very clearly the revenues from digital are growing. You will see that here. Very clearly again, 60% of the revenues come from digital. Look at what is happening in our own country, in India. See this, how the entire spread. So this is very interesting, friends. See this right hand side, media growth forecast. This is as latest as 2019 and 20 year, currently where we are. If there is a growth happening, digital is number one, cinema is number two, television is three. So the once people who used to rule the past, like your print, radio is going out, OT out of home is your holdings and bus shelters and all of those is going down. See, television unfortunately is going down and the entire consumption is moving towards digital and cinema, that is content. Again, the point is content. So this is the way the trends are happening. Why this is important for all of us to know is when you start your career or when you want to grow in your career, this is what you have to see, what is growing, so that you can get associated with those verticals and move forward. This is very clearly, most of you would like to either start your own companies or do jobs in the agencies or channels or probably work on the client side in any aspect of your career. But what is important is looking at digital skills offer a gateway of higher pay. This is very, very important, friends. You have to remember this. Conventional, traditional jobs, even in media or advertising, will not give you those kind of salaries and income as what you have a digital touch to that is going to give you. All jobs, every kind of a job, if you have a digital understanding of technology and if you are a digitally savvy person or you learn something in the digital field, the growth curve is very, very high if you have digital literacy, right? And it's not just posting on Instagram, okay? There are ways on what digital is.